Hello everybody, this is Andu Hale Hack here. Today I've prepared a new series of tutorial on how to use Android NDK. And this video is part 0 of our series. In this video we are going to see what Android NDK mean and its use. You can consider this video as an introduction for our series. With that being said, let's get started. First of all, what is Android NDK? NDK stands for Native Development Kit. NDK is a companion tool for another great tool called Android SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. By now you might have seen Android SDK, so we are not going to cover about it in this series. Why are we going to use Android NDK? It helps us to build or implement portions of our application in C++ or assembly. Since our native code is going to be compiled into binary code, it is faster than ordinary Java code. As you might know before, our Java code is going to be compiled into Java bytecode and then gets translated by Dalvik virtual machine. And this process makes it little bit slower than our directly compiled native code. Although there is JIT just-in-time compiler for Java code to be compiled into binary code before execution, still native code is faster. Android NDK helps us to improve our application's performance, reuse C++ headers and libraries. Android NDK Toolkit provides headers for handling users' input, accessing hardware such as NIC network interface card and sensors, accessing our application resources, and so on. Okay. How are we going to use Android NDK? On Windows, Linux, Mac OS X and other computer environments you can use NDK by downloading from its official website. You can use a link in the description. Before trying to answer our next question, I want to say I've found a trick to program NDK on Android itself, mainly by using AIDE compiler and other tool called Anicode compiler. AIDE provides its own feature to develop NDK applications, but it requires more than 700 MB of space in our storage. Even though we manage to provide this much space, we might need to have some fee in order to get this feature. There is another problem also with AIDE providing this feature for us. We might need to have a phone with an Android Oreo version of operating system. So it is near impossible for us to use this feature on AIDE. There is also another tool, as I mentioned before. It is called Anicode and it provides the same feature, but unfortunately it is not as handy as AIDE. But if we can combine them in some way and try to use them together, we can achieve what we wanted. In our next video we will see how we can use this method to achieve our goal. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below. In order to watch this series, please subscribe our channel. If you have any question or suggestion, you can use our comment section below.